Hey folks, so I don't really do knife videos too much, but thought I'd bring you a fun timeline. I got this about 6 years ago after my Smith & Wesson knife broke, and you know, I wasn't very knife knowledgeable. uh, it's a piece of crap. Let's see, focus here. Piece of crap. Mtech. I think I got this at a Magic Man store. Anyway, let's see. It's kind of tough to do while I'm holding the camera, but why does this suck? Well, let's see. That's why. It's like you can't shut it here. Oh, no, it opened again. Piece of crap. Let's see. My wife got this for me for our 18th anniversary, and I love this knife. But yes, it is a Kershaw Canon design. I believe it's a onion leek, or maybe this was a chive. I think it's a chive. I really don't remember. But kind of the same issue here. Springs back up. Anyway, still love this knife, but what are you gonna do? This was the first nice knife that I got. My cousin actually gave this to me as a gift. Kizer Critical Mini. I actually really like the blade on this one. Tonto, I think. I don't know. I'm not really a knife person all that much, but it's one of the few that I've had that it's that smooth, right? It's got a ceramic bearing. Smooth though, and I like it. Kizer Critical Mini. This is what my wife got me for Christmas. She works at Harbor Freight, so a little bit of a bias there. But I wasn't quite sure what to think at first, but I mean, I'm not going to go into details. Like people are like, oh, D2 blade and blah blah mill, pocket this and blah blah. It says D2 steel right there, so you're not you're not not teaching anything you can't learn just by reading. Anyway, it's really nice. I mean, this one's only $40. I believe the Kizer is around 100, and I think that the Kershaw chives, these are around 30 or 40. These are $40, but I mean, man, for $40, it is so smooth. I mean, I don't know. I'm not good at whatever you want to do, but look. But yeah, that's because of the ceramic bearings. But still, really, really a nice knife for $40. I think that even some of the higher up companies are going to be having to worry about this one in the future. I mean, lifetime warranty. Oh, I dropped it on the bed. Anyway, really, I like this a lot. I really like this one a lot. I love this knife. Even though it kind of sucks, I love this knife. This is trash. Do not buy Mtech. Anyway, these were just, these are for things that I've collected throughout my life. And, yeah, just wanted to show them off. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. See you soon.